Okay, welcome back. This is where we build out our questions for the lead funnel that you got for free through the TaxVantage membership. We use Wufoo. For what I'm going to show you, it is a free account, so don't worry about having to use any of their paid versions. You're going to start real simple. When you get the account, you will get the free account, and you will hit New Form. This will take you to kind of the blank canvas where we will build everything out. Now, up here, you're going to see everything has sections. And over here, these are the lines and different types of drop downs that we'll use, and some other items to build out our form. So, real quick, you always want to name your form because this will pop up in different parts of the section. So, if you're doing a lead form, it might be how to leverage tax benefits to afford more home, right? Complete these questions and get your numbers now. Okay, something like that. Because this will pop up in the actual form itself. So be careful what you name it there. Now, one of the things you're going to want to do as well is in this first section is go to redirect URL, and you're going to put this on your thank you page of your funnel. You're going to put this URL here. Okay, don't copy it from here because that's the main one. You're going to copy this here, and you paste it right into here. So when they finish the form, it goes to that thank you page. If not, it's just gonna, and you hit show text, it'll just show them this. So that's, and they're not gonna get what you need them to get, and you'll understand, well, the actual link. So, other than that, that's pretty much it, all you need to do here. Now, you're gonna go to add a field. First thing you want to do, the first question will be, and you'll get this list, but you'll see here, will this be your first home purchase, property purchase time frame, are you working with an agent, have you been pre-qualified, name, email, phone number. Alright, so you can either do drop downs or multiple choice. We can do a drop down. I actually like the drop downs a little bit better. But, okay, so we're going to add a field. Alright, and here's our first field, and this is where you're gonna click on it, and it'll take you to the question. And the first question is, will this be your first home? Okay. Now you're gonna make every question required, so click on that, and this should read out select. Okay, and then here you can put yes or no. And then you're going to delete this section by hitting the little red button there. Alright, and you can save it. I don't know, I have a habit of saving them every time because I don't want to lose it. But essentially you are going to be doing that for each question. And again, you'll have access to these, but what will this be your first home, property purchase, and here's the answers that you want to put in the drop downs. Name, email, phone number. Let me show you what it looks like once it's completed, and then how to put that into your lead form. Okay, this is a form that I had already built out. This is actually a multiple choice question, yes or no, where you'd click on multiple choice instead of the drop down. I actually prefer the drop down. This is something that we're testing out a different way, but you can do either or. I think it's fine, to be honest with you. But essentially you'll do each question. Each one will have its own box. Very simple. Fill out the boxes, click on the forms, make sure each box is required. And then at the end here, under add field, you'll see name, email, phone number. So you just click name, email, phone number. They auto-populate right into here. Hit save form. Now here's where, once you hit save form, you'll get these different links. I'm going to suggest you go to set up email notifications first. Okay, and here's why. In here, this is where the lead form will go. So you can put your lead form in, or if you have a team, you know, put yours in there, because if you go to customization notification, you can put multiple emails into the CC or BCC. So if you have other team members you want them to go to, however you want to design and send the leads through, you can. These things can also be integrated with your CRM if you have one. So you put their information, hit save. If you start getting real fancy and want to start text message integration, you can do it here. We use CallFire for that. That's another training. But this is where you can create those forms. So once you go out of this, you want to go back into your form and you hit Save Form. Okay, now under that, you want to go to Share This Form. Okay, click on that. And you're going to copy this code here. Just hit Copy Code. You're going to go back to your lead funnel. Okay, and come to the first page. I've already got it up, but basically go back to the first page under JavaScript. Go to Settings and Open Editor. Okay, and in that editor, you'll see the HTML JavaScript. Simply right click, paste the code. There it is. Click out. Hit save. You're good to go, and here's what it's going to look like when you hit preview. So whether you have a multiple choice or you did the drop downs, once you're advertising on Facebook or on your website or other social media channels or marketing channels through email, text message, they'll come to this site and they'll simply answer the questions, yes or no. They're, you know, whatever it might be, their information, they hit submit. And it would, oh, there's an error there. There we go. It'll take you to the, well, we didn't put in the URL, but if you put in the URL, it'll take you to the thank you page. But we didn't do that, so. Just make sure that you get the URL from your thank you page and you put it in that form that I showed you. To go back real quick. Okay, if you're in your form, you go to field settings. You go to form settings. Click on, you know, here, I'll just do it real quick so you can see it. Okay, so we're gonna click, we're gonna grab this URL here, right? I'm on the thank you page. Copy this. Back to Wufoo, and we're going to paste it right in here. Okay, hit Save Form. And what's great is you don't have to re-put the code back in there. It'll automatically update once it's in there. So that's another great thing about Wufoo. Now let me show you how it will now take you to the thank you page. Okay, I already filled everything out. So once somebody hits submit, it will take them right to, and here you go. I had a little delay because of the internet, so I apologize for that, but it brings them right to this page. They can call you directly, or again, they'll have access to your TaxVantage calculator. So that's how you use Wufoo. It's a very powerful tool. You are getting a very high-end lead funnel here. Use it wisely. There are trainings on how to mask your domains and everything else as well right inside this ClickFunnels account. Good luck and to great success.